If you're in your 20s, you might be broke. Coming out of college, I definitely was. What people don't expect is the second you start earning money, your life immediately starts getting more expensive. More money, more problems. You don't just wake up and decide to upgrade your life. You just look at your bank statement one day and think, this feels higher than it should. So you've had your new job for about 6 months or a year, and you start saying yes to things you would have overthought a year ago. And for most people, you started saying yes to when you wanted a different apartment. Now you've got privacy, you've got peace, you don't have to label your food in the fridge. But now rent isn't just rent. It's rent, utilities, internet, parking, and a fee that sounds fake, but definitely isn't. Then comes the furniture phase. You don't want anything wild. You just don't want your couch from some random guy. So now your place looks great, but your bank account immediately notices that. Then there's the car. You don't want anything flashy, so you go online late at night because that's when the confidence hits, right? You're not even shopping for cars. You're shopping for monthly payments. You're looking like, okay, I could live with that number. That's when the car stops being a car and becomes a lifestyle subscription with wheels. At first, you tell yourself, this is temporary, just until I'm more established. Now, the car doesn't just get you places. It influences how long you stay at your job, how risky you're allowed to be, not because it's a bad decision, just because it exists every single month. Then come subscriptions. Individually, they don't really matter. Food delivery, streaming, apps that save time. Every subscription is affordable until your bank account starts looking concerned. Together, they quietly raise the floor of your lifestyle. Social media makes it feel worse. Everyone looks like they're doing amazing. Nice apartment, international trips, coffee shops every morning. Nobody posts those real moments like when they refresh their bank app and just stare at it. You just see the highlight reel and assume you're behind. Your 20s are the time when your flexibility is incredibly valuable. You can still change directions, try things, mess up, recover, switch jobs. There's a lot of things you can do. Keeping your life lighter makes a lot of that easier. This doesn't mean don't enjoy your money. You should go out, you should travel, you should spend your money on things that genuinely improve your life. Just be intentional with upgrades that follow you every month. Trips end, concerts end, bad purchases fade, but bills always stay. When your income goes up, you don't have to immediately raise your lifestyle to match it. Let the money sit for a bit. Before a big upgrade, ask yourself, if this income changed tomorrow, would it be annoying or would it be a problem? If it's annoying, you're good. If it's a problem, maybe wait a bit. The biggest money mistake people make in their 20s isn't being broke. It's building a life that requires constant income just to stay upright. You don't need to win big money in your 20s. You just need to not make it harder than it already is. If you're thinking about money this way, trying to build a life that feels flexible, calm, and sustainable, that's what this channel is all about. I'll be posting more stuff just like this. See you in the next one.